Hello everyone, welcome to Commodities Podcast. This is Rakesh Khanna from Sharekhan BNP Paribas. Today we have an update on gold. COMEX gold price after sharp rise from $1,812 till $2,135 on upside had given a trendline breakdown, indicates bearish trend in upcoming trading sessions. However, precious metal price failed to breach key resistance of $2,065 and heading downward towards its target of $2,003 and $1,975 in near term. MCX gold price had started forming lower high lower low formation, holding key resistance at 63,000 level on upside and break below 62,350 level, which act as a support, will drag the price further down till 62,150 and 61,800 level in short to medium term. The price indicator is bearish. Thank you.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.